Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I want to talk about seasons, months of the year, and days of the week. Let's go. Okay guys, before we start our lesson, I want to introduce to you my second channel. Its name is Virtual Tour with Asal. I will share the links in the description. My goal in that channel is that to show you around the cities in Iran. As you are learning Persian, I thought that maybe you want to get familiar with Persian culture and see the typical streets and places in Iran also. So I took my camera and go to the cities, and like a walking tour videos, I will record the cities, streets, parks, or even street foods for you. It's been 2 weeks that I have created the channel and I have uploaded some videos there. Make sure to visit the channel and subscribe it and get more familiar with Persian culture and also Persian language. Okay, now we can start the lesson. Let's go. Let's start with the names of the seasons in Persian. Spring, bahar, bahar. Summer, تابستان, تابستان. It's formal, but in spoken language, we say تابستون, تابستون. Fall or autumn, پاییز, پاییز. Okay, attention, پاییز. There is double E, so it's پاییز, پاییز. Winter, زمستان, زمستان. Again, it's a formal way of saying زمستان. In spoken Persian, we always say زمستون, زمستون. Let's review. بهار, تابستون, پاییز, زمستون. I said the fourth season in a spoken Persian, not formal way. In a formal way, بهار, تابستان, پاییز, زمستان. Okay, now let's see the months of the year in Persian. The months of the spring season. Let's see. First month of spring is فروردین, فروردین, فروردین. Second month of spring is اردیبهشت, اردیبهشت, اردیبهشت. Third month of spring is خرداد, خرداد. So the months of spring are فروردین, اردیبهشت, خرداد. Now, summer. The first month of summer is تیر, تیر, تیر. The second month of summer is مرداد, مرداد, مرداد. The third month of summer is شهریور, شهریور, شهریور. So the month of summer are تیر, مرداد, شهریور. Now fall, autumn. The first month of fall is مهر, مهر. Second month of fall, آبان, آبان. Third month of fall, آذر, آذر, آذر. So the month of fall are مهر، آبان، آذر. First month of winter day. Second month of winter بهمن. Third month of winter اسفند. The new year in Iran begins on فروردین. So spring is the first season and فروردین is the first month. The first month of the year is فروردین. Second month اردیبهشت. Third month خرداد. Fourth تیر. Fifth مرداد. Sixth شهریور. Seventh مهر. Eighth آبان. Ninth آذر. 10th day. 11th بهمن. 12th اسفند. Let's review the months of the year more faster together from the beginning to the end. فروردین، اردیبهشت، خرداد spring. تیر، مرداد، شهریور summer. مهر، آبان، آذر fall. دی، بهمن، اسفند winter. And finish. Now, days of the week. The first day of the week in Iran is Saturday. First day of the week is Saturday, which is Shanbe. Used in academic writing. Okay, it's formal. But people in spoken Persian say Shanbe. Second day of the week is Sunday. In Persian, یک شنبه. Monday, دوشنبه. Tuesday, سه‌شنبه. Wednesday, چهارشنبه. Thursday, پنجشنبه. And Friday, جمعه. Jum'eh is the last day of the week and it's holiday. Schools and companies are closed on Friday. So let's review again. I will say more slowly. Started from first day of the week to the last day of the week. And I will say the formal way or academic writing, okay? شنبه. یک شنبه. دو شنبه. سه شنبه. چهار شنبه. پنج شنبه. جمعه. Let's review a little faster. شنبه، یک شنبه، دو شنبه، سه شنبه، چهار شنبه، پنج شنبه، جمعه. Now, when you are watching this video, tell me which month are we in? For example, is it day or Bahman or Farvardin? Okay. And which seasons we are? Bahar, Tabassun, Payis, Zemestun. And what day is it today? Shanbe, Shanbe, Dushanbe, blah, blah, blah. So write them in comments for me. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments below. And if you like the videos and you enjoy watching them and you want to learn Persian, you can subscribe my channel. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. Khatafez.